7 Easy Ways to Make Money Without a Skill. Skills and expertise are what allow us to make a living. Whether you're a lawyer, doctor, mechanic, construction worker, or even a blogger, you're using your skills and knowledge to do your job so you can have a paycheck. But what if you wanted to earn some extra money on the side without having to earn a degree of some kind? Before getting deep into the topic, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Well, there are some very easy and fun ways to make money online. And the good news is that you probably are doing most of these already in your everyday life, searching, watching videos, playing games, taking surveys, and more. Book Scouter. Here's one perfect for students or avid readers. Book Scouter is a website that allows you to sell your used books and textbooks to the highest paying site. Simply enter the ISBN number of any book and you'll instantly be shown a list of different prices from about 40 book buyback sites. Choose the one that pays the most and sell your book to them. Textbooks and school-related books often cost a ton of money and you only use them a couple times in your entire life. Why not sell your textbooks to pad your pocket a little bit? While there are tons of websites available to sell used books, personally I think Book Scouter is the best. All you have to do is locate the ISBN number of the book, and the website will search over 40 different buyer sites to locate the ones that will pay the best price for your used book. Rakuten. You might have seen this one in a TV commercial. Rakuten is slowly becoming one of the biggest cashback sites. Basically, you earn a certain percentage cash back if you shop through them. They have almost any online store you can think of. From Amazon and Walmart to Best Buy, Target, and much more. So if you shop online, I think it'd be crazy not to use a cashback shopping site like Rakuten. It's like getting free money for buying something you were going to buy anyway. Don't forget to check out their double store for double cashback on purchases made through qualifying stores. Microsoft Rewards. You search online, don't you? We all do. Perhaps even multiple times a day. Well, now you can earn free gift cards just for doing that. Sign up with Bing Rewards for free, then search as you normally would. For every search you perform, you earn a certain number of points. Once you have enough points, you can redeem for gift cards, meal discounts, and even airline points. I'd venture to say an average searcher could easily earn an extra $100 a year using Bing. Inbox Dollars. Inbox Dollars is what you would call a total rewards site where you earn rewards for pretty much everything you can do online, anything from shopping and visiting websites, to taking surveys, playing games, watching videos, and more. Here are some of the kind of offers you can complete to get some quick cash. Playing games. You can earn up to 10% back when you purchase token packs and boosters for some of your favorite games. Play for free. Taking surveys. You will also have the chance to play Bilio's Spin and Win, which lets you earn survey tokens and sweepstakes entries. Using search engines. Earn cash by using Inbox Dollars custom search engine. Watching videos, or completing fun interactive activities. Shopping. Earn cash back on all sorts of purchases when you shop online through Inbox Dollars partners. And that's not all. They constantly add new earning options. Plus, they offer sign-up bonus as well. Sign up today and get a $5 sign-up bonus. User testing. What could be easier than visiting a website and then telling the site owner what you think of their site? And the amazing part is that you get paid for testing websites. They do this so they can test the functionality and user-friendliness of their website. User testing. Com is a site where websites owners and everyday people, like you and I, are brought together to help each other. The site owners get his/her site tested by real people, and you get paid for doing what you already do dozens of times every day. How much money can you make, you ask? Different user testing sites have varying rates, but user testing. Com pays a flat rate of $10 for every site you test. Swagbucks. Who hasn't heard of Swagbucks by now? Just in case you haven't, SB is one of the most famous online reward sites. So famous that they have even been featured on many media outlets such as ABC's Good Morning America show, and even Forbes. Like Inbox Dollars, SB will pay you to visit the website of their sponsors and participate in activities like shopping, surveys, and more. They use their own form of currency, called Swagbucks, which can be converted into real cash. You can even download their app for your Android or Apple devices. Here are some of the ways you can generate some extra earnings with Swagbucks. Signing up for the website, you'll earn a certain number, this number changes from time to time, of Swagbucks just for joining. Swagbucks Visa Rewards Credit Card. Earn 1.25 Swagbucks per dollar on every purchase. You'll earn an additional 1,000 Swagbucks after your first purchase, within the first 3 billing cycles. Plus, if you spend $1,000 or more within the first 6 billing cycles, you'll get another 2,500 Swagbucks. Watch videos, choose from a variety of different video topics, and you could earn up to 150 Swagbucks a day. Search. Instead of using your regular search engine, use Swagbucks to generate a small profit. Play games. Earn Swagbucks for playing cash games. Shop online. Use their portal to earn Swagbucks per every dollar you spend at popular online retailers like Amazon or Travelocity. Plus, you'll get awesome discounts, like 15% off any order at JCPenney on top of the Swagbucks you earn. Take surveys. Earn up to 60 Swagbucks per day. And that's not all. The site adds new ways to earn more SBs all the time. And as far as getting paid goes, you have good options. You can redeem your earnings for cash, PayPal, or gift cards from almost any online and real brick-and-mortar store you can imagine. That's all guys for today's video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you get notification on future updates.